some exciting things this evening to share with y'all for sure. I believe that's important. We're going to walk through anyone that had Yobit V mining. I'm going to walk through the process of how to activate your mining. With the YoPal, they kind of like switched it up again. So we're going to go through this together. Okay. I'm going to show y'all some KBC coins I found on one of my addresses. And you guys probably see it on one of y'all addresses and want to know how can you get it. I'm going to share with you how you can do that, how you can access those coins. I'm going to do a live transferring them, actually withdrawing them off of my Ethereum address onto Kurt bit so I can move them into the reduction plan. I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna also show some of you that haven't done it yet, the 80-20. If you guys want to participate in that, I believe it's a phenomenal thing. Lucky Rico actually started the coin, the GS20 coin. I think it's important that we all take advantage of it. If you like, again, no pressure. I just want to let y'all know, I want to give y'all the how-tos on how to do that with your MetaMask. I want to walk through some, I would say, the whole MetaMask again. Now, I know I did this before in the past, but I'm going to do it again because I want y'all to really know how to go in there and maneuver. Because remember why the eBrand Club exists. Number one reason is I want to help you be able to get in and get out of the cryptocurrency space. And while you getting in, I want to help you to make profits. I want you to learn strategies and techniques. I want you to know how to maneuver in the cryptocurrency space. I want you to know what different withdrawal and deposit and wallets and how all that work. I want to give you the how-tos in knowing the cryptocurrency space. So when you maneuver in the crypto space, when you get into the crypto space, you'll know exactly what to do, how to do it, be comfortable and confident in when you're doing it, as well as develop some skills, some techniques, some strategies, and learn how to profit while you're in there. That's the whole goal, whole mission of the eBrand Club. That's why I created it. I don't want another opportunity where I'm showing everybody how I'm arbitraging and no one else is doing it, or very few is doing it. I want the opportunity now that when I show you, everyone will be able to benefit from that opportunity. I also will touch on the GS Trade platform, how when you guys see me last week, I actually deposit $70 into the GS Trade platform. And so we're going to go through that process of the airdrop. Is it important for you to do? It's only and totally up to you. Listen, I must give y'all this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, nor can I advise you on your finances. I just show you how I maneuver in and out of the cryptocurrency space and how I buy different cryptocurrencies on different platforms. You are totally responsible for your own choices, nor can I in any way make any choice for you. You will have to make that choice yourself. Now, just remember that cryptocurrency is still volatile, and the space and the platforms that you maneuver on and off, whether it be a centralized exchange, could possibly kick you off, take your assets, make you withdraw your assets, as we have seen in the past, with one of the most, the number one platform in the world, which is Binance, have actually sent out letters in the last week. They did it the same thing back in 2019, saying you have to withdraw all your assets. Well, they're saying it again for sure. You can't even keep it as an asset count. So just want y'all to understand and know that piece. I'm not telling you this to be scared. I'm not telling you this to be nervous and scared. No, that's not the basis of why I'm telling you. I'm telling you this so you'll be cautious, and you'll be cautious and conscious of what's going on in the cryptocurrency space. There's still regulations that countries still try to come in and make things happen the way that they want it to happen. They want to make sure that they get underneath of that space. And so with that being said, I'm just here to guide you and help you and coach you, nudge you, push you, give you the confidence, inject the confidence and the comfortability of moving in an area that you've never been in. And that's why I'm here. I'm here to help guide you, hold your hand, catch you if I have to, so you won't make mistakes or minimize your mistakes. And when you make a choice in the space, as well as gain profits every step, every move, every withdrawal or deposit, you will gain profits. That's my mission. That's my purpose, of this whole eBrand Club. The S Coast Enterprise was designed for that. And so with that being said, again, I appreciate all of y'all taking your time out to see value in the things that we're sharing on this platform. I want you to know that without you, there is no me. So I want you to know that we work as a team. So just as I pull out, I need someone to pour out into. And as you pull out, you're going to find out that you're going to need someone to pour out to. I do want you guys to really understand that we're really pioneers in this space. We are really at the beginning stages where we're helping the mass adoption of cryptocurrency take place in the world today. We live in a world that things have changed. And when things change, we have to change. And so with that being said, I'm just here to help. So when you change, when things change, we're able to move and change with them. Okay. Is that fair enough? Fair enough, everyone? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Cool. Perfect. All right. So I appreciate all of y'all again that's on here. We're going to go ahead and dive into this night. I believe that's some important information. So let me go ahead and get started. So first thing, let me go ahead and open up my Yobert account. Okay, so we're going to talk about the V mining and the robo trade briefly. We're going to talk about the 80/20. I'm going to make sure that if anybody needs to go in and actually make that move in purchasing the GS20 coin, I'm going to help with that. I'm going to start here first with Yobit. Let me X out of this one. And then we're going to talk about going into my Curabit. Exchange. I'm going to deposit some coins there. All right. So Yobit GS trade, if you want to purchase it, most definitely MetaMask and then Curabit. So Yobit GS trade. Let me do GS trade. All right, first things first, we're going to talk about is this right here. So you see, I got 0 days left for the Minex coin to continue to produce me Minex coins. So let me look at this history because we might not even have to buy. So this was 23,984. Let me go back to here. 23,984. So it just produced. This one gonna produce in 1 hour. Okay. So it still gave me 9 coins like they said they was. I don't know if you guys will have to get your pal anymore. You don't have to get it. Look like they took it out. It say yo pal, you need to buy pal for Minex. For every miner cost 10% of the current Minex cost in the Yo coin. So it will be 10% of the amount of the package, which is here if you got the micro package. But it looked like to me that even though I had 0 days left, it still produced me 9 Minex coins. And I think that was the original amount that it was going to produce me anyway. So let's see what this upgrade to V3 is. So if I click on this, well, I'm not going to click on that yet. So anybody here that have the V Minex, well, the actual V mining, who purchased a Minex package, it's actually it's miners packages. It's a micro, light, standard, pro, gold, or VIP. One of these packages in the past. If you have, I would love to see if you seeing the same thing I'm seeing. So I'm going to say, okay, perfect. We will talk about that. Hello, what's the 80-20? We will talk about that average. What is 179? I don't know what, and I got it. I'm going to answer y'all questions. So Rose, we are on the Yobit exchange. If you brought a virtual mining package on Yobit, this is what I'm talking about first. Yobit. So if you haven't, upgrade, I upgrade of a day. Okay. Elliot said he upgraded of a day. Okay. Price new. Okay. And so yeah, the upgrade, what do it do? What do it do for you? Let's see. Let's look at this first one. It say don't have enough money to upgrade to Minex. Really? I don't have enough coins, huh? Well, I haven't seen the Yobit. I mean, the Yo coin where it was sitting here at one time where you had to purchase it. So I'm going to leave this alone right now. I'm going to let this continue to produce for me. All right. It's producing just like it said. It was going to give me 9 Minex coins, right? And it produced so far all of these coins, which kind of like pay me back, even though the coin now has been dropping. But I've been actually in this package for, well, it won't take me back to the beginning, but it's been a couple of months now I started this. So yep, I think I am going to leave that Minex. When it runs out of power, the red tab will pop up. Okay, yeah, so perfect. So that red tab pop up here, right, Elliot? Yeah, so I think it ain't run out of power yet. So I'm still running on power. So it says 0 days left. So I just gotta wait because I can't pay for the actual Yo Pow. Now I have Yo Coin. Now, this is what I would say for anyone who don't have Yo Pal. Actually, it's been buying me Yo Pal 1120. So I got a lot of Yo Pal. Let me see something here. Okay. Let me see what Yo Pal is in USD. So it's saying it's not a lot, but I know that can't be true. So let me go back to BTC. Now I'm saying here, I have 0.73 in Yo. So if you guys want to buy Yo Pal, all you have to do is go to, and if you have BTC, just click on the BTC button over here, go to Yo, and then you're able to purchase it right here. So let me sell a little bit real quick. Let me see how much I can sell. So it's giving me a good amount. So how much is this in BTC is the question, right? Let me open another window. BTC USD. And then I'm going to go through the process of where is USD BTC? All right, let me just go here. Bam. How many of y'all like that bullish and then that bearish run that BTC make? So y'all make some money on that this week? Man, it was crazy, man. I was kind of like mad as ever because I sold it when it went high and then it kept going up. And I was like, oh, no. And then it dropped all the way down to 16.1. I was mad. Made a little bit of money. It seemed like to me, I didn't get it when it went to its highest to make as much as I wanted to make, you know? So anyway, it was all good. No complaints. You know, I ain't going to cry about it. Could be worse. So my MineX coin right now is about 1,800 if I sell it back to BTC. So if I go back to my window now, if I sell this for this price, this is about 1,800 in BTC. So let me go ahead and sell that. I want to sell that. If I have to, I don't need to sell it all though, because I'm gonna have to buy some more. So let me just sell. Let me wait. Let me wait until that pal go up. I was gonna sell it and gain that 1,800 in BTC, but then I might have to go back and buy it again because to activate my V mining package again. So I'm gonna leave that there and I'm gonna wait on to my pal show up. There's nothing I can really do there. Okay, so let's do this. Let's talk about anybody have RoboTrade that's active this week. It's been a lot of great things. You see that? It's a lot of great things. Now I had page 1. And I went back in and changed most of my percentages. Anybody can tell me why I changed most of my percentages on my orders? Can anyone tell me why? That's right. The price change. The market started taking a bull run. So whenever listen, you guys, we have to remember that we live in a market phase. What am I saying? I'm saying you have your money into a financial market that what the market say do is what you have to do. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Let me break that down. So if I have my money into this financial market, whether it be the stock arena or cryptocurrency space, whatever financial market it is, and if the market take a bullish run, then I got to trade with the bullish run. If it take a bearish run, then I got to trade with a bearish run. If it trade just sideways within support and resistance, then I got to adjust my robo according to the support and resistance. Y'all understand what I'm saying? So when the market started taking off and you getting these large percentage, let's go to the top of the market. Look at this. Ethereum is 2%, 2.8% in the bullish run. So now I need to change it to 0.8 to 1. I need to go over 1 if I can, because that's a bullish run. And look at Dash, negative 5.2. Look at Zcash, negative 3.6. What am I saying? I'm saying the market have jumped. Remember when we was trading, it was just standing in support and it was like 0.5, 0.1. And so we adjust our price according to what the market was doing. Well, when you see the market change, you got to adjust you got to adjust your price according to the market. Same with any financial market you go to. I mean, I don't care what it is. Now, the great thing about Yobo Trade is that you can adjust it how you want. You can cancel orders, close all orders or stop orders and go back in and readjust your price to the market. Remember, that have to happen every now and then. And probably sometimes, like in the last couple of weeks, man, the market just been booming. So we have to adjust it according to that. Now, if the market do a bearish like it's doing on Dash Coin and Zcash, then we got to adjust it if we only have it as a bull. If we going short, short means selling, long means buying. So you'll hear those terminology. Long means buying, short means shorting. The sale is selling. It means selling. And the reality, the same as a bull and bear. Bear, let me tell you the three terminologies you'll probably hear and see when you're looking at any financial market. Whenever you see bull, you're going to see green. You're going to see the word long. So you see green, bull, or long. What do that mean? That means the market is going up. Or really, when you see green, that means the market is going up. When you see bear, when you see people that say bull, that means the market is going up. And when you hear the terminology long, that means people are going to trade it as it go up long. They're going to wait until it go up and sell long, or they're going to go long. They're going to go when it goes up. And so those terminologies really means the same. And then when you hear the word bull, you're going to see the red. You're going to see, you're going to hear terminologies like short. That means they're going to sell, because bear means going down, red is going down, and short means I'm on sale when it get low. So those, you can kind of like remember those terminologies, especially the bull and bear, red and green. Short and long is a terminology used mostly in trading views or with analysis companies that use different trading views. But when you're talking about in the crypto space, you must know that bear and bull, same thing, because we still trading on that. Now, some of you may say, yeah, but I don't want to trade. Just remember, I don't care where you go. Even if you have, like we have a robo trade that's trading, even if you go to 3Commerce, or if some of you have crypto robotics, you still got to know that type of thing, because you need to know what to give your bot. Now, there's AI that will go in and take your money and trade it for you, but you still got to know what you're trading. You got to know what cryptocurrency you want your bot to trade, because most bots only going to trade when they see coins go up. It might be a coin that you don't want to trade. So you're going to be stuck with that coin that may not be good. It just went up real quick, and doesn't mean it's going to be a great coin to have. So remember those terminologies and those type of things in this financial arena. You're going to always see green means bull, red means bear, short means sell, long means buy. You're going to buy it and hold it. Okay. So with that being said, if you haven't, go in and readjust your trade, your robo trade. If you still have your assets here and you still trading and you haven't seen none, well, you're probably gonna have some if it's 0.5, but I want you to trade according to the market. Now you over 1% now, whether it's 1%, negative 1% or positive 1%. If it's green 1%, then you can go 1%. And you see, I have some that sit for 1%. You know, I still have some that sit less than one with Ethereum, because I left them because it's still in that same range. But and then, you know, you have that option to trade it. You most definitely may want to adjust some of them. You know, I had adjust and closed a lot of sales out. Some of these I'm not even going to use again. Only reason I have it because I want to show the profit margins. I want to show this type of stuff. 22 2,237 closed trades that this bought. I signed Ethereum / BTC. That's how many times it active and closed. 103 active trades happened and 2,237 closed. Phenomenal, right? Yep. That's phenomenal. And if you look at the price, let me see, what price is this Ethereum and BTC? So it's a 0.031. That's which one of these here? So 0.95. So I've been gaining a lot on this one right here. This right here. This one. You see all these trades are off of this one assigned robot. And it's only 0.5. I want to go in because guess what I want to do now? Because I want to sign more to that. Now, I gained a lot, but I want to gain more. And so it's a sell order. So now I'm going to sell Ethereum, right? Let me see how much I have to sell. Go to my wallet. Okay, 0.36. So I got a third of Ethereum to sell. So I'm going to go in here and change this to 0.36. Yep. And I need to make it. So I'm selling. I need to keep that price there. I'm selling it at that price and I'm buying it back. Let me get 1%. Matter of fact, let me go back. I'm going to keep it there, but I'm going to sell this. See if I can manipulate these numbers to make it do what I wanted to do. $91. I think that's a good price. Let me go ahead and do a good percentage too. Create a rule. And so I'm going to let that rule, see what that rule do for me. All right. All right. So everybody understand this part. 66 pages since 11. What? You got 66 pages since 11/22? Bananas. Hey, Valencia says she got 66 pages since 11/22. You gonna make me go in and check how many pages I got now. That's a lot. That's a lot. Wow. So I got 9 pages since yesterday. No, 7 pages. Yep, 29. So 7 pages today. And then on the 28th, oh man, hey, I got a lot. That's a lot, Valencia. The 25th, I killed them. 24th. Look at that. 24th, a lot. So I don't know if y'all know, like I still been trading here. Like I'm not letting it. The reality is, listen, when I share with everybody about the regulations and I share with y'all about your money, listen, I still got over a 0.63 BTC on this platform. That's a lot. That's a lot. When you're talking about half, that's more than half of a Bitcoin on here. So a Bitcoin is what is it, 18,000? I got $9,000 on this platform. What am I saying? I'm saying that hey, this still winning. You still winning here. I'm not going to stop winning here. This is a great trading bot. Like, I mean, Think about it, man. You got, so Valencia says she got 66 pages since the 22nd, I'm sorry. Valencia, you know what? That's phenomenal because I got a whole bunch of them too. So 150. Let me see. 147. $147 is not activating. I think it's still turning. Yeah, so 144. That's a great number to have, right? 143 in trading since the 22nd. 143 pages of profits. Listen, profits is profits. I don't care if I'm getting 8 cents. Think about this. 8 cents on all these trades right here. Now, granted, let's look at how much this is. Let's say one, how many zeros? That's 5 zeros, right? So let's go to USD, BTC, and let's look at how much this is. I know it ain't a lot, but 195, I think it was. Okay, 3 cents. I'm gaining 3 cents on each one. So if I have 1, 2, okay, some of them a little less, some of them a lot less. Okay, cool. So watch this. Look at this. This say 40.45. This say 31.96, 43, 53.39 right there. Let's look at how much that is. Y'all see what I'm doing, right? Everybody understand what I'm doing? 53.50. 90 cents. I gained 90 cents. So you talking about, you know, all these pages of profits that I'm gaining anywhere from 3 to 90 cents from. When you got 12 on each page, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on each page, and I have 140. Let's just minimize, say I'm getting 5 cents. I got 100, let's just say 140 pages of profits, right? Times 13. So that's 1,800 trades of profits. And let's just divide, let's say 1,820 profits. Now, how much each profit is? That's each transaction. But let's say it's times 0.05. That's $91. That's $91. Let me do it again. So $140, 40 pages. On each page is 13, right? Let me count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. So 140 pages times 13, right, equals 1,820 transactions of profits. Let's just say, now you seen I had some at 3 cents, some at 96 cents. Let's just say, can we just say 5 cents? I'll just minimize it, say each transaction is just 5 cents. So let me do this. 1,820 times 0.05 cents. That's $91 I done gained. I ain't even been on here in a couple of 3-4 days since I canceled out some of my 0.5 orders and made it 0.1. So you're talking about I gained $91. And that was just from the 22nd. because I didn't go on the whole days. I just did it from the 22nd, like Valencia. So Valencia, Gail put up 51 pages since 2025. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that. How much is that, Gail? Enough. Alfina said enough to get a contest voucher. You got it. I'm telling you, 66 pages. And let's just say, now, of course, all of them is not Bitcoin. I get it. All mine is not Bitcoin. But can we just say minimum, if it's just 5 cents we gain, will 5 cents be comfortable to what we talking about? So you got 66 pages, right? 66 pages, I'm sorry, times 13. So that's 858 trades that gave you, let's say 0.5%, right? Times 0.5%. That's 5%. That's 5 cents. I'm sorry, 5 cents. Each trade was 5 cents. That's it. That's $42. That's $42. That ain't bad. That's not bad since the 22nd. What's today's date? So you're talking about 8 days, not 7 days. That's not bad. Especially when you ain't do nothing, right? I'm just saying. You got to do the math, y'all. This is still good. Look at this one. This one is BTC. This say, let me make it a little bigger. Now I made it too big. It won't go, page won't go down. Look at this one. 98.54. This profit margin. 98.54. Let's go back here. Let's put in 98.54. How much is that? That is $1.78. That's one transaction. I made $1.78 in. I mean, look at this. You guys gotta see that this is money being made without me doing anything. Now, I'm not telling you that. How can I say it? I'm not telling you that. Can I gain more? I promise you, I can. I can assign my boss more money and gain more. But if I'm making $1.78 off of this one transaction, and that was buy Ethereum at that price, and the amount was that amount that was sold. So that's 0.03. Where is this at? Let me find this bot in this. So 0.0308. 0.0308. Right here. Here go, right here. Here go that bot. And look, I made $1.78 and I got 0.5. I got 0.5% off of that bot. 0.5. How much did I assign this bot? I signed it 0.03. You see that? 0.03 in Ethereum. $53 closed trades are 240. Look at this. This is what I made. I made 0.02 in Ethereum and 0.001 in BTC. Off of this one bot, this is the profit I done made. 0.02 in Ethereum and then 0.001 in BTC. How much is 0.001 in BTC? Let's see. 0.001. I made $18. $18 in Bitcoin off of this one bot. I made $18 off of this bot. You see that? Less transactions than this one because I got 0.5. Here I got 0.9. But still, I gain. Look at all these profits that then showed up now. You see that? 0.12 in Zcoin. Man, I haven't even been on here to look. I'm just I'm looking at it just like I'm showing y'all. Like, this is my first day seeing all this. Only thing I gotta say is that, you know, I'm gonna keep moving with it. And then you see, like I said, I have changed some of the percentages I gave the bots because the market changed, so I changed. And so, you know, of course, you guys can do what you want to do. Let me do this. I just did this one, right? Let me change it to sell. Let me open up another window. Let me go to it. Okay. Let me go to wallet. Let me see how much I have in my wallet. Okay. Ethereum. So I got to go back because I made this mistake by buying it for that. And it didn't actually go through, but I supposed to sell it for that. So this is going to catch a buy order. It's going to buy it at that price and then sell it at that price. But when I go to the top of the markets, I'm at 0.16. So let me cancel this one. Bam. Let me open up this 0.36 is what I want. And then I need to gain. So I'm selling at that price. Let me put another one here. All right. And then, no, I'm selling at that price and I'm buying back at this price. Still a little high. Let me see if I can. 3. That's what I need right there. So I'm at 1%. Let me go ahead and create that rule. Now let me change this to buy because I have no more balance in Ethereum because I used the whole 0.3. When I refresh the page, you'll see it's gone now. I don't have enough. Oh, I do have enough to buy. Yeah, I do have enough. So let me go here. I'm going to do a 0.5. So I'm going to buy that a little less. So I'm going to go here, play with my number. Bam. And I'm going to sell it at. Let me go back. Let me do this. Bam. And let me sell it at. Let me gain some profit margins here. $93. Bam. Got it. So I'm gonna leave those two there. So I hope y'all was saying that. Let me know how I can help though. Any questions real quick before we go any further on this robo trade? I'm not going to spend a lot of time here, but I want to answer questions. So I'm gonna go to my other. Okay, Binance US just opened up to us all. You are correct. Okay. Yep. Steve is frozen. Exchange, please. Okay. I got you, GS Trade. Emma said, okay. All right. So I'm gonna go into a lot of different things. Rose, I see what you're saying. I will most definitely contact you for the one-on-one. We'll talk about that later. Sammy, I'm most definitely, Samuel, I will talk about just open up to all. Binance US just open up to all. Really? Great. That's great. And then Ema said GS trade. We'll talk about that. Everybody that's on here, great. Y'all got it. You know, I think I answered. Working out by this time. Okay. Okay. Actually feels. All right. So all right, let me see everybody. I'm sleeping in Jamaica. Hey, Valencia then traveled all around the world. She talking about she in Jamaica making money now. Money is 10 minutes effort. That's right, Julie. 10 minutes. You go in and set it up, and that's it. Bam. All right, so we done on Yobit. We're not talking about Yobit. I'm gonna leave Yobit. I'm gonna actually log out. The next thing we're gonna talk about right now is the GS trade. I want to make sure everybody, I'm sorry, the 80-20. That's what we're going to talk about. The 80-20. How many of y'all took advantage of this? So this coin is up $1.80 since the last time we talked. It was at 130, I think. It's actually up. Now, some of you might not know how to get this coin, and I want to show y'all, okay, how to get it. And so let's do this. Whoever's on here who want to buy the 80-20 or the want to most definitely buy the GS20 is the coin. It's the coin with Lucky Rico, which I believe is a phenomenal idea of the platform that he have and how he's using it to do a lot of great things. It's also got a referral link. If anybody want to actually take advantage of that, you have that opportunity as well. I will post it here. I'll share it with y'all if y'all want to, or if someone you know that's on here that you want to share with, you most definitely can. Listen, there's only one thing I want to do for sure. I want to make sure I help y'all take advantage of every opportunity I see that's beneficial, that's safe, and that you have the ability to and you got to go back to your strategies, y'all. We got to go back to what's your exit strategy. Some of you have exit strategies that say, hey, I just want to buy and hold. Great. Some of you say, I want to buy, I want to take a percentage of what I want to take and put into the crypto space. I want to take a percentage of it. Let's say I got $1,000. Well, I want to take a quarter of that. I want to take $250 and I want to use that to buy and hold. And then the other $750, I want to be able to trade it. I want to be able to make it more for me. And so that'll be great if that's what you want to do. Or if you say, I want to take a quarter and put into buy and hold strategy, and then I want to take another quarter and I want to put that in another coin, you can do that. I just need you to understand, develop your exit strategy. Now, some of you might say, well, I don't know what I want to do. And that's great, because guess what? That's why I'm here. I'm here to help you. So it's a couple of things you can do. I like for you to make money while your money is sitting. So every vehicle I show you, it's going to be a vehicle that's going to produce you money while you're sitting. Now, I have some buy and holds that I'm just buying and holding and leaving there. I ain't touching it. And so I'm telling you that you can do the same. And I'm telling you that you can just ride the market. As the market go up, your coin, your value of your assets go up. And that's great. Or you can have the opportunity to do like the 80-20. You can share it, you can hold it, and while you holding it, you can share the opportunity, and then you not only will you earn, but your value of your GS20 is going up as well. And I want y'all to know that the great thing too here is that Lucky Rico got videos that tells you everything at the bottom of the page, right here. Every video that you need to know. How to start, how it work, playing for the rule, withdrawing, on how to use it, how to use the GS20. crypto basics they got right here. Ethereum, using the Ethereum platform, the cycle, buying GS20, all of it's here. The MetaMask, it's all here. And I'm going to walk y'all through a brief summary of how the MetaMask is and what it is. So one thing you must do, you don't have to go here yet. Don't go to the 8020.ch. Now, click on the link I gave you. Why? Because that's a actual link to not just mine or anybody that give you a link. That's their referral link. You wanted someone to listen. I always say, I don't care if somebody make money off of me, long as I can make money off of me. So I'm telling you is that's not the issue here only. The issue here is also, and not with the 8020, but with anything in the crypto space. There's a lot of fake sites, and you have to follow the links that people been trading on. Not people you don't know, people that you know been trading on. Y'all understand what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of sites that have fake sites, and then you can click on it and register and give your whole information, and it can be a fake site, and you go to add money to it and it's not the real site. I'm not saying that about the 8020 now. I'm just telling you, this thing get big enough, you can best believe everything that's drawing enough money to it. You got the new improved, or I would say the sophisticated thieves now. They hide and mask themselves behind a computer, and all they do is search for your information and are finding a way to manipulate certain sites so you can go to their sites and go to their copy fish sites. They call fish sites, and those fish sites, they grab your information and then they go and they duplicate the original site, and then you go on it thinking it's the real site, and then they grab your information and they go and take your information, and either they can hack your computer, or they'll wait until you send them money. I promise you, early on, I done got. Yeah, I done went to a site at one time and sent some, actually it was a giveaway, and I actually went on there and I was like, oh man, it's a giveaway. They're gonna give away coins, and I did it. And in reality is it wasn't a lot of money, but reality is it was a fake site. The whole thing was fake. They created a whole facade. You remember when Twitter got hacked not too long ago, and they had the actual people, Elon Musk, Barack Obama, Jeff Bezos, all the top wealthy people in the world, or well-known people in the world, publicly, people that was publicly political public people, they actually had hacked Twitter and say, hey, they was giving a giveaway, and if you send this amount of money, they'll send you this back. And the reality is, there's a lot of people that did it because they look like real sites, and I'm telling you, that happens a lot. And so that's why you got to follow the links, y'all. Follow the link of someone that you know, so you won't get hacked or get your information stolen. So the link I just post in the chat bar, if you click on it, if you haven't done it, click on it. And what happens is it'll pull up, but it will not have your MetaMask attached. Now, if you have MetaMask, let me log out. Let me start over. So if you click on that link, and see, I'm going here to the chat, and I'm going to click on the link. When I click on the link, this is what happens. You see what happened? It makes me log into my MetaMask. Everyone see that, right? Who on here that does not have MetaMask already? Everyone have MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask, okay, you got MetaMask. You do got. You said you don't have MetaMask. I do. Me, bro. So you do have MetaMask. I don't have any crypto in my account. Okay, cool. That's cool. I got MetaMask. Anybody that don't have MetaMask, okay. Ann says she don't, and I think Rose says she don't. So MetaMask is an extension. Okay, good. So Iris, Ann, and Rose, this is what I need you guys to do real quick. Are you on Google Chrome browser? You guys should be in your Google Chrome browser, right? If you on Google Chrome, what you're going to do is you're going to go in the address bar, and you're going to have to do this. You're going to type MetaMask, MET. Matter of fact, I know what to do. I'm just going to copy this for y'all to click on. Go back to the chat bar. If you don't have it, click on that link, MetaMask. So once you click on MetaMask, it's going to ask you, I don't know why it ain't doing it. It's going to add, you're going to see this page. You're going to download MetaMask. MetaMask is a little fox, all right? So you're going to download this extension. It's an extension on the Chrome browser. What is an extension? An extension is, if you look over here on my right-hand corner, over here where the little three dots at that I'm clicking on to make the Zoom page get bigger and get smaller. If you see my picture there, you'll see a couple of more different things, but you'll see this fox here. That's an extension. An extension is something that attached to your browser that only your browser have the access to. And so once you download it, right, it's going to ask you to download it, install MetaMask on for Chrome. If you most definitely want to do it for Chrome. If you have Firefox or Brave, one of them, I think Brave or Firefox, it comes with Firefox. I think Brave, you got to download it as an extension. But I don't know about Microsoft Edge. All right, I really don't. I would say Chrome or Firefox or Brave. I really would say Chrome or Firefox. That's the ones that I know. I'm not saying that they're not good. Brave or Edge is not good. I would choose Brave before I choose Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft been hacked so many times. I don't know if they really, their whole browser and everything is not safe. Chrome is the safe browser. Browsers are sites that you go on to search for information. Is exactly what it say. Browser. You can browse for information, and Google Chrome is the safest browser around as of now. All right. So once you install that browser, what's going to happen? You're going to see that MetaMask, that little fox pop up right there. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to put in a password twice. Okay. Once you put the password in twice, then you have the ability to go to your recovery seed. Now, I have a video that's on the site, on my site. All right. Let me take you here so you guys will know where this at. I have a video on my site, this site, scoachenterprise.com. When you go to the eBrand Club tab and you go to members area, you should see, well, you got to log in. Once you log in, you go to members area, you're going to see videos right here. Beginners videos. You're going to see all types of videos. And if you click on the little tabs, advanced, I got them there too. Advanced videos. You guys got access to all this. This is a video that I just put up from the 29th. That's the wrong date. The 29th is the day. That's not the day's date. That video is actually the 25th. That's the 25th. I just put it up last night, and that's why I put the 29th. But the beginners video is here. And if you go through these videos, there's a whole bunch of videos. You can click load more. That's that exit strategy video. I have to find the video about MetaMask. I got a video on here for MetaMask though. I'll find it and post it too. But the video that it actually tells you what to do when you actually you download the extension on your browser. It gives you the opportunity to walk through the back office, and I'm gonna walk through it briefly now. But you have to have MetaMask installed MetaMask is a decentralized app. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and log in. So I'm in. So now you see it automatically connect. So let me go back. Let me show you. So I go to, let me log out because I want to show you again. I click on that link in the chat bar. That referral link, the 80/20. It takes me there. But because I got MetaMask, it's going to make me go right to MetaMask. And look at this. The fox follow your mouse. So I got to put in my password. Bam. Now it links to the 80/20 website. And you'll see this in the referral, the address bar, which is 0x643. That's my referral link. So you're on the right one. This is my referral link here. Okay. So you'll see that in the address bar as well. All right. If you don't see that in the address bar and you have your MetaMask open, then what you have to do is this. You have to go here to this little box, right? And you're going to go to connect hard wallet. Nope. I had to click on that. I'm sorry. You're going to go here. You're going to click these little dots and you're going to connect to sites. And you're going to go here. And if you see the 80/20 right here at the bottom, you want to delete it. Disconnect it. Okay. Let me disconnect it here too. So now it's disconnected. And that's because you might be on another referral link. I don't know. So if you don't have this referral link in your address, if you got somebody you know, great. It doesn't matter as long as you got somebody that you know. But you see what happened now is asking me to connect my MetaMask to the 80/20 website. And all I need to do is connect. So now I'm connected. All right. Everybody follow me. I know that's a lot. I'll post the video again so you guys can see it. But I did this as well. And then, it's also down here. I have several videos that I can help you guys with. So you'll know. Several videos that help you with this. So you'll know. It's some here, how to connect your MetaMask as well. And I got one as well. All right. So once you connect it, all you're going to do is, if you don't have Ethereum here, you got to send some Ethereum to this address. You click on the account. See, mine say account 1, which is my Ethereum address. And then I need to send. We all know how to withdraw and deposit Ethereum on this platform. Again, I got another video to show you guys how to do this. So if you need help there, we can walk through that on the other videos I can show y'all. Okay. Everybody good so far? Any questions you need to know? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Yep, Gail. So again, you guys, I have go to my site. I see Gail was talking about my site, right, Gail? Where you seen Cash App, how to buy BTC and all that. So yeah, this is under the members page. This is for y'all. This is only for members. So once you go here, you got you got bid and ask, market limit orders, bid and ask orders again, how to connect API keys, how to connect to different sites, your API keys, bull or bear market. We talked about that earlier. And this is something that I did early on that you guys can go back. But how to buy Bitcoin on your phone on Cash App, how to buy Bitcoin with your Cash App. It's all here. how to buy and sell in the DeFi space. I did that this week. That's a beginner page. I think that MetaMask might be on that one. And then you guys also have access to this advance. So you can go on here and look. I talked about the halving of Bitcoin and how to maximize. That strategy is here. I talked again about the bull and bearish market on altcoins here. I talked about how to make profits day two on cryptocurrency, on different cryptocurrency. I show you techniques. Anybody want to know about the robo trade? Here you go. Here go the technique right here. Here go to another technique about the V mining and the Yobo trade. Explained. Here go to 80-20 that I talked about. Part 1, part 2, right here. And this actually gives you the MetaMask that you're talking about. I talked about the decentralized versus centralized here. I trained on how to set up your bot this day. Oh, and it's much more. Oh, look, and there's plenty of more videos. There you go. How to use the MetaMask. There you go, right there on the advance. How to set up your MetaMask. How to use the features on MetaMask. How to install MetaMask to your browser. We was just talking about this. Here you go. Here go the videos. Y'all, all this is on the website. It's on my website. So you don't have to know where they are. They all here. All here. Advanced and beginners. Just go through there, look at them. The axis strategy I just shared with y'all. Go through there. And there's many more videos too on here. All right. There's much more videos. Let me see where they all at. It's a whole bunch of videos that's here. I gotta find. It's a lot of videos there. Okay. So I'm glad y'all can go there. So we good with the 80-20. Everybody good. Everybody understand that. Yeah, I know, right? It's a whole bunch of content there. Yep, a lot of stuff. And then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna give y'all a whole bunch of more content. I'm gonna go back and give y'all. I'm gonna break down each. How can I say it? I'm gonna go back and do more videos on technical videos, so you guys really know how to maneuver in this space. You already do, but even more. Okay. So great, awesome. Let me see. So we good with the 80-20. Let me move to the next thing. Everybody know it's a video on how to purchase this through your MetaMask, how to send your Ethereum to your MetaMask as well. All right. And see, there you can stop and then you can push pause and then buy it and then go through the next step, push play again and go through the next step. Okay. So that's awesome. That's awesome. So, all right. So that's done. Let's talk about this. Listen, I want to show y'all something real quick that I found on my MetaMask. I mean, actually on my Ether wallet address. So you guys already know. I think I shared it with you guys before. I have a Trezor. So I have an external hard drive, right? And I'm going to actually connect my external. So this is, I'm glad I'm not doing this live because I mean, I'm doing it live, but I'm not doing it live to the world. So I'm only doing it with you guys. I trust y'all. So, okay. So what happened was I was on my Trezor and I was looking through all of my addresses, and each one of my addresses, I see I got more Ethereum on them that was left for this been years since I had this. And so I see Ethereum on a couple of addresses. And so one in particular, when I went here and checked this and access this. Now, granted, you guys, I know I'm not showing you how to do this with a Trezor because most of you don't have a Trezor. No worries. If you ever, the devices that I think GSB coming out with, Gold Standard Bank, is going to be phenomenal. I'll walk through that. I'll train, coach. I'll most definitely get y'all educated when that come out. Okay. Hopefully it'll come out soon. I don't know when, but I'll most definitely, y'all will be for sure familiar, comfortable, and confident in moving and using that actual card that they have, the GS Standard Bank have. So you don't have to worry about that. So I'm on this address, right? And I'm looking here. Now, I don't see it when I go to the Etherscan, right? I don't see the address. So if I want to go to the Etherscan, let me copy this address. I copy this address, and then I want to go to the Etherscan. And okay, so there with the address there. I ain't that. So when I click here, I see 35,711 KCB coins. Y'all see that? I see it too. So watch this. I'm like, okay. Now, I have a Trezor. This is all on my Trezor, right? My Trezor. I'm sorry. I like saying Trevor. Trezor. So on my Trezor, I look, and so I go here and I pull up the address that's in Ethereum, right? And I see here I have 0 coins on these addresses, right? On this address, I see what I had on here. I had Bobo. I don't know what happened to this coin. This was a coin I bought. I kind of like disappeared. I bought this back in 2017 in the ICO, and somehow it's gone. It's no good no more. So I didn't spend a lot, but it was just, and see on this second Ethereum address, I see Vin chain. I still have 16,000. I got heat. Whatever this is 0 there. But then this Empower, which is 20. I don't even know how I got them. Watch this, y'all. There's some coins that I had that people possibly could have sent to the wrong address. And now I don't know how I got them. And I haven't went and looked to see where they came from. Y'all hear me? So if you ever send to an address, there's a possibility the person might not even know they have them, because I haven't checked. There could be a promotional thing that could have happened just having the coins. But see, on this address, Ethereum number 3, I see 35,711. And now I see why this is here. So some of you see it on the blockchain because the Etherscan is the blockchain, but you don't know how to access it. The reality is I see it here. I even see it when I go here to my address. Well, I actually don't see it on here. But the reality is, how would I get it off of my watch address? Right? That's the question. How would I get it off? No, that ain't it. Wait a minute. Okay. OF. AOF. So. Okay. It's not. Where's. Okay. Here. So it's on this address. And so I see it here, but I can't get it off. How can I get it off? Where it was deposited onto my Trezor address that I must have had hooked into my other platform. So the reality is now I got to get this coin off. So one way is I clicked on it. I clicked on here, copy the smart contract address. I want to most definitely add it here. I know I'm doing a lot, right? Some of you saying you going too fast. No worry. KCB. And then the number 7, save. Now watch those coins pop up here. Now I helped someone else find about 800,000 coins like this. And I didn't even realize this was on my own address that I need to send off. All right. So it's on my Trezor address, but I can also send it off through MEW because I access my Trezor through my MEW account. So what do I want to do? I want to send these coins to my Curvebit account because I need to put these in a reduction plan. Yeah, I do. So the crazy part about it is, look, it's no more deposit address here. So what happened? So I don't know what to do right now, right? Because I don't have an address to deposit on. So I just lost a lot of coins, right? You would think because there's no deposit address. So watch this. I got something even better. I can do two things. So I know that the deposit address for Ethereum is the same for my KBC and KCB. So I can do this. And let me do this. I'm a because look, Ethereum address is 0x866. When I go to the USD, 0x866, same address. Copy. So what I'm gonna do is I don't have no other choice, or I'm gonna lose it. Or can I do this? Let me go here because I forgot. Let me see. This come from waiting too late. So let me see something. Let me see. Oh, well, it ain't on here no more neither. KBC is right there. But this is not KBC. This is KCB. And you see this? You got a lot of people with orders here, but I don't even know if it will show up as that coin. So I really got two choices. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try to do this too. I'm going to send some here because I have no other choice. Y'all understand what I'm saying? I waited too late and then I can't deposit it onto Curvebit. So that's like 35,000 coins, which at the time probably wasn't a lot. I don't even know how I got them. I could have sworn that all my coins was moved to Curvebit. I might have messed up, right? But regardless, it may be coins that I have nothing to do with. So let me go ahead and do KCB. Let me go ahead and deposit. Let's do 15,000. Well, let me do this. 20,000 to this address. Now, hopefully it'll show up in my KCB because all of these Ethereum addresses, USDT, Ethereum, KBC, and KCB was the same Ethereum. So watch this. I have no other choice. I have to do it. And so let me send it. Here. Bam. It's going to cost me $1. Not bad. Send transaction. I'm allowing it. Follow instructions. So my Trevor tell me everything. Yep, bam. Detailed gas range. Okay. Confirm the send. It said something, but let's see. Let's see what goes on here. So I'm sending it 20,770. There, say pending. I'm sending it from here, right? This is the transaction hash. Transaction hash actually holds the two public addresses. So you have two public addresses. One when you initiate a send, and one is when you sending it to something. You initiate a send to that address. A transaction hash happens. So it's just like a transaction. So I go to a bank and I want to deposit some money into a bank. A transaction number show up. It's just simple a transaction number. Here it's a hash because it's all done on a blockchain. So it's actually a open, verifiable, immutable ledger that you can see every transaction in the hash. Okay. So say pending. Let's see how. Okay. So it say successful. So let's see, because this is Ethereum address that's in my Curvebit account. Let's see if it show up. It might take some time, so we might have to come back. I should have did this first, so we would have went back and see what happened. But I have no other choice. If it show up here, great. If it don't, great. It's nothing I can do, right? So if that's part of my coins, so it's still saying 35.70. Let me refresh the page. It should change it. It's also going to change that. I should have knew that. So bam, bam, bam. Okay, so it took a little bit of my Ethereum too. So it's still saying it's there. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's see what happened though. It's supposed to be, let's see if it bounced back. It didn't say it bounced back. It cost me 99 cents, but it didn't say it bounced back, right? So is the coin still there? Let's see. If I go here and hit, yeah, it's not there. That number wrong. It's only 15 because I hit entire balance. So I just have to wait that out, see how that work out. But let me do this too. So I this red button, this red flashing dot, just showed that a transaction was successfully done. I want to take my Ethereum. Oh, and I'm not going to send it now, but I will send it later. I'm going to send it to this address because I want to send it all to my MetaMask address. So let's go back here. There you go. That's how many coins I have. The Trezor actually work. It shows you every transaction. You see that? Sent out, the date, the time, tells me everything that happened, how much I have now in Ethereum, all that. So let me see if I have another one to have knowledge. This was another crypto I bought in the ICO phase. I gotta go back and look at that. So I just wanted to show y'all that you know, if you have, it's nothing you can do now because kind of like stuck with not depositing them onto Curvebit. So really is nothing we can do about that. But I wanted to show y'all that, you know, if you have coins there, this it's like done now, right? It's nothing we can do about it. So let me X out of that. I was gonna send some here. I don't think it's going to show up here. Let me go to wallet and let me type in KBC. Let me see something. Oh, so it's off. Deposits is off. So, yep, you can deposit. Let me see. You can withdraw. Look how much it costs. 2,730 coins if you want to withdraw. So the deposits is off. So that's it. That's done. I can't do nothing on Yobit with it neither. So I wanted to really show y'all that. Okay. So one last thing, because it's getting a little late. I've been on here for an hour and a half. I don't want to hold y'all too long, but what I do want to do, I want to show you this process. The next process of what I'm going to show you. Let me see what people saying. All right. The next process of what I'm going to show you is the GS trade, right? I believe they got some exciting things, y'all, that's going to happen on the GS trade. I don't know how many y'all actually like see what's happening, but I most definitely, a lot of y'all gonna probably be, listen, if you have, oh, I'm sorry, Fonda, I'm glad you here, because I have to send you your $20 right now, and I'm gonna do it through MetaMask. So I'm glad you here. I almost forgot. I am so sorry. Matter of fact, I'm gonna send you some extra. You sent me your link. Can you send me your, Fonda, if you can send me your Ethereum address again, please, because I forgot what you sent it to. Was it in this address? I was waiting for you to jump on so I can send it to you on live. I want to send it to you live because I want you to most definitely, yes. If you can paste your deposit address real quick to me right here on this chat so I can send it to you right now. I appreciate it. Sorry about taking so long, but no worries. So let's see. I got to figure out how much it's going to be in USD, right? Let's see how much this is. Ethereum. Okay. So if it's $44, if I send you 0.4, it should be a little more than $40 because half of this, which would be 37, I'm gonna send you 0.045, and that should be more than, hold up, entire balance. Okay, so there we go. So I know that would be more than enough. And then we're going to see anyway how much it is. If I have to, I'll send you more. So here go the address. That's your address. That's your symbol, right? You see, I love it. So you got your own symbols. You see my symbol? Yes, sir, symbol. MetaMask got their own symbol for you. I love that about Ethereum. I believe that soon that these going to be attached to, and well, it's already attached to everyone's platform or their unique Ethereum addresses. So you see it right here. Well, imagine you can create your own. The only problem is that you got to, most definitely, it's got to be done on a blockchain so nobody can hack it or copy it and people look at the address. So the numbers still got to be the same. So, all right. So let me go ahead and initiate a send. So it's $26 I sent you. Okay. Thank you for waiting. But I wanted to make sure that I did it with you on here. This is your address too, right? So this is from to. So send it from me to you. So you got it.